Welcome my dear students. The last video we had talked about natural consequence of high specific latent heat of ice. Today we are going to discussing natural consequence of the high specific latent heat of vaporization steam. So the first one, steam is used as a fluid in thermoelectric powerhouses. How? Okay. In thermoelectric powerhouses, coal is used as a source of heat. The heat of burning coal is used to rise steam, which has the highest latent heat of vaporization of 2260 joule gram inverse. As no other substance can carry as much heat per gram as the steam. Therefore, steam is used to run the turbines. It is the heat energy carried by the steam in bulk which turns the turbines that are coupled to electric generators to produce electricity. Okay, this is about what thermoelectric powerhouses. And next is burns caused by the steam are more severe than the burns caused by boiling hot water. Of course, steam has the highest specific latent heat of how much? Yes, that is 2260 joule gram inverse. Hence, every gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius will deliver 2260 joule of heat energy more than the water at 100 degrees Celsius. This excess heat energy of steam is the cause of severe burns on the skin. Okay, and let us get familiar with general terms used during the change of state. Yes, that's right. What change of state? Then fusion or melting. Okay, first of all, change of state. The process due to which a substances change from one physical state to another physical state. One substance that change to one physical state to another physical state, it's absorb or release of heat energy, that is what change of state. So what is change of state? Yes, change of state means one substances that change from one physical state to another physical state, which absorption of, okay, absorption or release of heat energy, that is what change of state. Okay, and next is fusion or melting. So this fusion or melting, the process due to which a solid changes into liquid state. A solid change into liquid state at some fixed temperature by the absorption of heat, that is called melting or fusion. Okay, so what is melting or fusion? Melting or fusion means what? The solid change into liquid state at some fixed temperature by absorption of heat, that is what melting or fusion. Okay, example, ice to water. And next is fusion point or melting point. What is this fusion point? Solid change into liquid, so how much temperature absorbed at the process, that is what fusion point or melting point. Here it is 0 degree is the melting point of ice. Okay, and next is freezing or solidification. What is this freezing or solidification? The process due to which a liquid change into solid, liquid that change into solid state at some fixed temperature, that is what solidification or freezing point. A liquid change into solid state at some fixed temperature with the release of heat energy, that is known as what? Solidification or freezing. Okay, example, water that change into ice. Okay, solid. And next is solidification point or freezing point. So at this conversion, how much temperature you absorb this process, that is known as what? Freezing point or solidification. Okay, clear? Yes, and next is vaporization or boiling. So this vaporization or boiling, the process due to which a liquid change into gaseous state. Liquid that change into gaseous state at some fixed temperature. Okay, with the absorption of heat energy, that is known as what? Vaporization point. Example, water change into steam. So what is this boiling point or vaporization point? Yes, at this process, how much temperature is used? This it's used. Otherwise, it's a fixed temperature at which a liquid change into gaseous state due to the process of vaporization, that is known as what, boiling point or vaporization point. Okay, clear? Yes. And next is condensation. What is condensation? Condensation means the process due to which a gas change into liquid state. Gas that change into liquid state, that is what, condensation point. Condensation. Okay, what is condensation? The process due to which a gas change into liquid state at some fixed temperature with the release of heat energy, that is known as what, condensation. Example, steam change into water. So what is this condensation point? So how much in temperature used for this process? Okay, the fixed temperature at which a gaseous state of matter change into liquid state due to the process of condensation. This is called what, condensation point. Okay, clear? Yeah. And the next is evaporation. What is evaporation? The change of liquid state into its vapor state at any temperature. At any temperature below its boiling point, that is called as what, vaporization. Example, water vapors are always present in air in variable amount due to the process of evaporation. The rate of evaporation increases if the temperature of the surrounding is high. The rate of evaporation also increases with increase in surface area. Okay, so it is for the same reason that wet clothes, when spread in the sunshine, dry rapidly as the temperature as well as surface area increases. Okay, and the next is sublimation. Sublimation is the process due to which a solid directly change into gaseous state. Solid that directly change into the gaseous state on heating, and the gaseous state directly change into solid state on cooling, that is what, sublimation. So give me one examples of this solid directly change into gaseous state. Yes, that is camphor. Okay, and solid state of the substances in such cases is known as what, sublimate, and the gaseous state at sublime. Okay, and the next is deposition. So what is this deposition? Yes, the process in which a gas on cooling transforms directly into solid. This also known as what, the sublimation, or this process is called what, deposition. Okay, it's a reverse of deposition in sublimation. For example, the vapor change directly to ice without first becoming a liquid. Okay, I hope all of you understood about this topic. Okay, thank you.